team. There is no I in team, and there is a reason. Like, you need to get the right people to do the right job. We have learned that the fun way, the hard way, but that never gets old. I think that's one of the challenges of building business, attracting the right talent. I think there are many ways to fail. That is one of the most pervasive, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, God, we could spend hours talking just about that alone, right? Are they a cultural fit? Does their skill set match with what you're looking for? Is there buy-in? Is there synergy? Are they able to collaborate? You know, self-retrospective, right? Are they able to kind of decompress and admit when they make a mistake, right? Being humble. Do they have integrity, right? We could go on and on and on about, all the different factors and characteristics that need to match who you're looking for and right. And then like you said, unfortunately, in every case, you gotta learn by mistakes, right? And learning what did and didn't work, and then being able to leverage what did work and helping to find, the right fit for the different types of talent that you're looking for in the future. So I love your perspective on that. So I'm going to leave you with this because I love the slogan. I don't know who created it. It resonated with me. Is making your manufacturing sexy. Love that because to me it resonates. Somebody that's been in the manufacturing world for good golly, Miss Molly, 20 plus years now. What does that mean to Andonix, David? What does that mean to you? How does that help your clients, prospects prosper, with your SaaS product moving forward?
Well, thank you, Chris. That is something that we always thought about being provocative, right? And
Yep.
you got it right. I mean, so in simple terms, we came up with this because we say, listen, when we talk about branding, and that is another aspect that we wanted to recognize early on, and to be patient, right? Because you wanna run quickly, and you want to establish your brand as the best brand. You want to be recognized. You want to be associated, with values that are basically going to elevate your perception. We learned very quickly that our customers perceive technology as something boring, right? Painful. People think about the classic ERP that takes months and years and painful
Mm-hmm.
and expensive. After we had some good feedback from customers, and obviously we had our own vision, we said, listen, we need to make manufacturing sexy. And we actually started saying again, but we say we don't want to provoke people saying like I think we were sexy, back in 1920, 1930, 1940, 50, thinking about what manufacturing can be and think about what our value proposition is. Sexy means our technology is attractive. Our technology is engaging because it's directly for frontline workers, right? You need to engage people. And it has to also add value, right? That sexy for us is attract, engage, and create value.